This is the 2024 Jeep Gladiator Willys. This one has the American Expedition Upcountry Plus upfit package. You all know the Willys name was born of a clear mission, and today we believe this Gladiator Willys is honoring that one that started it all. The new Gladiator Willys adds more capability for 2024 with a standard rear locking differential and off-road plus. It also comes standard with trailer tow, programmable auxiliary switches, LED headlamps and fog lamps, rock rails, and sludge mats. And this particular Willys showcases the new black graphics package from our Jeep Graphics Studios. And it has one of 3 different packages available from American Expedition vehicles. The Upcountry Plus package features AEV's 2-inch lift, KO2 35-inch tires, yes I said 35s, the AEV steel front bumper, and new Gladiator by AEV has some incredible stats. Take a look at those. And good luck finding any better priced mid-size truck on the market with 35s.